What's up, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute walk workout. You can do this anytime, anywhere. If you want to get some additional steps in, or you haven't got that many steps in today, you can do this workout, okay? All right, so what we're going to be starting doing is walking in place. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get her done, let's get her done. Let's go, come on, walk in place. Walking place. Ooh, Alright, I'm on my chest. How y'all feeling today? Listen, today is one of those days that I ain't getting no steps in today. So I was like, let me go ahead and get some steps in at home, okay? So, right after this, what we're going to be doing is bring your knees up, left to right. You're ready? Let's go. Left, right, or right, left. It don't even matter because each side is going to be going up anyway. All right. But again, I'm doing this workout because I was like, I ain't doing that. So we're going to do it. All right. So after these knee ups, we're going to go right back into walking in place. You guys ready? Lego, and yes. Use that momentum. Use your arms for that moment. Yes. So, you guys, what time of day y'all doing this workout? Because usually I'm a morning person, but some of y'all are not, and that's okay as long as you get it in. That's all that matters. Before I keep continuing, I'm gonna bring them knees up, y'all. You ready? Let's go. Knees up. And get side tag, y'all. Alright. But yeah. What time of day y'all doing this? I want y'all to comment below actually. After this workout, don't stop it. Don't stop it. After this workout, comment below what time of the day y'all doing this workout. Because it don't even matter. You can do this anytime anyway. Alright. So after this, we're going to step side to side. You guys ready? And let's go. Yes, side to side. You do a little shoulder with it. Hey, I see you. Oh, shookin' now. Yes. So right after this side to side, we're gonna keep the legs. We're gonna use the arms. So what we're gonna do is reach and pull from the ceiling, okay? Keep it going, we got a few more seconds. Good work. Ready? Lego. Ah. Yeah, we gotta use those arms now. We gotta wake them up. Well, it's probably won't go because you probably won't see it. It's okay, we're gonna wake them up again. All right, because some of us have desk jobs or just jobs that you don't move much. And sometimes you gotta get up and move. Get that blood flowing, you know what I mean? All right, we're gonna do tapping without the arms. You ready? Let's go. There we go. Good work. But yeah, some of our jobs, you sit down a lot, and that's when the joints and stuff start to ache because you're not moving as much. So when you do this, something small as this, you gotta be extreme. It keeps the blood flowing, keeps the joints moving, less aching and stuff, you know? So that's why something like this is very good. Are we ready for my arms again? Lego. Ah. There we go, sis. I see you. Good work. All right now. We burning some calories today. Get a little warm in here. No impact. We ain't gotta be jumping all over the place either to get a good calorie burn. This is good enough, you know? All right, so now what we're gonna do is 2 steps. Left and right, or right and left, whatever one you want. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Yeah, you can do a little jiggle with it. You gotta have fun with these workouts, y'all. Nobody wants to do a workout, maybe drift. And that's not sustainable, right? Trust me, I've been there, done that. And all these extreme workouts, I ain't stick with it. As long as something I can enjoy, that's all that matters. All right, now we're gonna use those arms, y'all. You ready? Left and right. And let's go. 1, 2. 2. So do that little pump. Do a little pump. Hey, good one. 2, 1, 2. Good job. But yeah, we gotta enjoy our workouts because every person's lifestyle is different. And we don't have to do what Uncle Joe and Miss Mary. We can do whatever we want to do as long as we enjoy it and as long as we're working out. Are y'all ready? We're gonna do it without the arms. Yes. Hey, good job. Hey. Do that shoulder. But yeah, so we ain't gotta do what our friends or family or neighbors are doing. So you can still lose weight without doing the exercise they enjoy. And that's fine. They can enjoy that workout. That works for them. But we gotta do something that works for us. Are you ready for my arms? Let's go, let's go. We gotta pump. We can pump it too. We use our chest. Cause I know you got a little jig in you. You know how we do back in the club? Okay, maybe we ain't do no work. We ain't do no dancing like this. And maybe some of y'all, that's fine. But, you know, sometimes with me, I like to do a little pump. All right, yes. We're doing it. All right, y'all ready for the next workout? We're going 3 seconds. So I'm gonna turn this way so I can show y'all what it is. So as you can see, 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3 steps back. Yep. 3 steps forward, forward, 3 steps back. Good. All right, you already know what time it is after this. Use them arms. Reach and pull in front of us. Okay? We got it. And let's go. Good one, good one. Fantastic. Okay. We're getting done. I'm going to face in front of y'all. But you don't have to unless you want to. Hey. Good job. Good. All right, without the arms now. So now we're just stepping. And if you want to switch feet too, you can. You know, lead with the left or lead with the right, whichever one you start off with. But if you want to keep it here too, that's cool. Because we stepping. And that's all that matters. Good job, good job. All right, we're going to use them arms again. We use them arms. You guys ready? 2 more seconds. And here we go. Reach in from ankle. Hey, reach in from ankle. Reach in from ankle. Reach in from ankle. Yes. Listen, you should be very proud of yourself. But there could be other things you could be doing right now. And you decide to get up and move and move your body. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. All right, now what we're going to do is some butt kicks. You ready? Here we go. Right here. So bring that heel to that booty. Okay. Heel to that booty. Heel to that booty. You're doing great. You're doing great. So I'm already using my arms as this. And you can too, because it kind of flows with the beat. Or it flows with the rhythm. But what we're gonna do is use our arms once again. So we're reaching and pull, and reach and pull. Yes, reach and pull, reach and pull. So I'm doing 2 in the front, 2 up. But you're like, yeah, this is too much, girl. You're doing too much. It's okay. You can pick one or the other. Long as you are moving, sis. Long as you are moving. And you don't even have to use the arms unless you want to, because this is your workout. Okay? And then now we're doing that arms. This is your workout, sis. You don't have to. As long as we are moving, I'm proud of you. That's all that matters. Yes. Okay? And even if you do the arms and you forgot, it's okay, because you're trying and nobody is perfect. And that's what matters. Okay, we're ready to use those arms again. If you want. Let's go. There we go. You're doing great. Keep it going. Almost at the finish line. Good. Keep it going. Almost there, you guys. Guess what? I ain't tell you ahead of time, but we are done. Good job, you guys. That was a quick 10-minute walk. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Again, comment below what time of day are you doing this workout. But again, I'm very proud of you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Very appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next workout. Peace.